Hi friends! In this video we are going to make miniature cauliflower from air-dry clay. I will start by making the inside of the cauliflower, then the leaves. I'm shaping little pieces from the white clay. It's better for them to be in a different shape and a different size. And it doesn't have to be that perfect. It is what gives that realistic look. I joined all the pieces together. Now I will poke it. Poking. More wrinkles using this tool. It looks good. Now let's make the leaves. Same thing, I will make many leaves. Different shape, different size. You have to work a bit fast before the clay dries. If you are still here, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Join them again. Let's fix it a bit more. And there is the result.